Hey guys, I am starting, I'm going to start to do videos every day, and I picked a different theme every day. So today being Monday, Mondays are going to be Mukbang Mondays. So if you don't know what a mukbang is, that is basically an eating show. So you watch people eat. Sometimes people eat really large amounts of food, and sometimes they eat very small portions. For me, I'm just going to, for specific challenges, I'm just going to do that, and then for other videos I will probably just eat till I'm full. So today I am going to do the spicy noodle challenge, which is this. I'm sure you've all seen it. So I am only going to eat one packet because, you know, I'm not that hungry right now. But so I've already made the noodles. They look like this. And hi Shang, hi, hi my Chu, and hi La. Thanks for joining. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've already made the noodles. So I am going to add the packet sauce, and I just boiled the noodles in water for 5 minutes. So, or, you know, according to how you like your noodles, some people like them more al dente. Some people like them a little softer. I just, 5 minutes is good for me. So I tried doing one packet the first time I had these noodles. Oh yeah, it's not my first time, but anyways, the first time I tried these noodles, I boiled the noodles for only 3 minutes, and they were a bit too al dente. So this time I'm doing 5 minutes, and I think I know I'll like that a lot better. So here we go. So I just opened up the packet, and I'm gonna pour it all in. Woo! Look at that fiery goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it all in there. Just make sure I get it all in. Okay. Throw that away. And there we go. I'm going to mix it up. Okay. Okay, and before anybody says anything, I'm eating noodles with a fork and not chopsticks, because contrary to what people like or believe, not all Asians can use chopsticks proficiently. So for myself, I would say I'm moderately good at chopsticks, but not, you know, since I don't use them all the time, I'm not as good as you know, if I had to use them only at every meal, I would probably not be able to eat as much as I do. So, and tonight I felt like using a fork, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so now it's all mixed up in there, and then it comes with the spicy packet, and also it comes with like a seasoning packet. So I'm gonna just shake this up and add that to the noodles. And so voila, doesn't that look super good but super spicy? So let's go. Okay, so for me, I'm doing this, I'm gonna time how long it takes me to finish this, and then also no water while I'm eating it, and then I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes after I'm done eating it before I will allow myself to have a drink of water or, you know, whatever. So bon appetit, here we go. All right, so if there's anything that you guys want to talk about while I am eating, let me know. And let me know what you're eating tonight for dinner. Oh, that's so good. It's really good. And I'm starting to feel the heat already. That's good. It is honestly spicier than I remember it being. Wow, I can feel the heat already. Woo! So I hope everyone had a good day. And I'm going to be leaning in to read the chats because I'm blind, so sorry. Aw. You should totally do a video with me, Shane. You know, they have different flavors out now for this particular brand of spicy noodle. There is a curry flavor, there's a cold noodle flavor, there's a cheese, and yeah, there's a cheese flavor. There's even a soup flavor now, so maybe one day I'll do one of those. But ooh, I'm feeling the heat, guys. You know what I love about this? I love how thick the noodles are. It's just thick and chewy. And it's so, so good. You know how sometimes, like the thinner noodles with ramen, you can kind of get sick of eating them after you have them like 2-3 days in a row? This type of noodle, seriously, it's so big and chewy. I just love the texture. I could eat this every day and never get sick of this type of noodle. And I'm starting to sweat a little, so the heat is definitely, it's adding on every time I take a bite. But you know what I also love about this this noodle is that it does taste really good. It's a good mixture of sweet and spicy. There's good flavor. It's just not spicy. There's good, really, really good flavor to it. And it's getting hard for me to my heart is racing a little bit because the heat's getting to me and I'm really starting to sweat now, just in this area and a little bit on like from my temple down. And this is how much I have left. So my recommendation for eating this is, oh crap, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to set the timer. Darn. Okay, maybe next time. Anyways, I forgot what I was going to say. I don't know. It'll come to me. Oh, yeah. Okay, so my recommendation for eating this is eat it fast, because when you're eating the noodles, it's not spicy. Like, you don't feel the heat. But the second you stop eating, oh, the heat comes on. So just eat it all in like one go is what I would recommend. Like, don't do what I'm doing, like eat and then talk, eat and then talk. I would just like continue eating until it's all gone. Because yeah, when you're not chewing, you really, really feel the spice. Oh, it's so good, you guys. It's so good and it's so spicy. But not too spicy. Oh, I would say I have about three bites, 3 to 4 bites left. Oh. and my heartbeat is still picking up. Oh, it's still going. Well, duh, obviously, otherwise I'd be dead, right? Ooh, and I am still sweating. Oh, so good. Yes, La, definitely, I would recommend trying this at least once. So good. All right. Mm. Mm. Okay, right now I could go for some water. Well, I know water doesn't really help with spiciness. It's more, I could go for some coconut milk to help calm down the spiciness. But I'm not going to drink anything. Power through, right? Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm really feeling the spice, guys. It's really spicy, but it's a good level of spicy. Mm. Ooh, so good. All right. Mm. I'm almost to the bottom. I've just got maybe 1 or 2 long strands and then just the itty bitty little pieces. And that's it. I'm done. Whew. Oh. Now my nose is starting to run a little bit. Oh. Whew. Ooh, and the heat is really, it's really piling on. But I'm still good. So now, since I forgot to time myself, I don't know how long that was, but I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. So I am, if you can see that. Oh, wait. So 5 minutes on the clock. Start. Whew, okay, so stay here for 5 minutes before I can drink something. And my nose is starting to run. Oh, I'm really feeling it build up in my mouth. It's like a really slow burn from like the tip of your tongue all the way to the back. And then feeling it slowly go down your neck and down to your stomach. Whew. So good. But that's gonna burn later. Okay. It definitely has a good level of spiciness. Nothing too extreme because you can still taste the, you know, how good the flavor is in the packet of the seasoning packet. So you can still enjoy that. It's really good. I would definitely say if you've never tried this before, definitely go out and grab a packet and try it. So you can find these noodles in your Asian market. I've seen them priced anywhere between $5.99 to like $7.99. So for a packet of 5. So it's not bad. And you know, get a packet and get your group of friends together and everybody try the spicy noodle challenge, right? Okay, how much time do I have left? I have 3 minutes left. Okay. All right, well, what do you guys want to talk about? Nobody's saying anything. So, let's see. Yay, 2 minutes to go. So who has done the spicy noodle challenge? If you have, let me know how you liked it. You know, if you didn't like it, let me know. And, or, you know, post up your own video and tag me. I would love to see. But I hope you guys all had a good day today. All right, still 2 more minutes and 16 seconds. Ooh, excuse me. You know, it's starting to go away now. I'm starting to feel better. Just taking deep breaths and hanging in there. So, all right, so, oh, hi, Betty. Hey, hon, how are you? Hope you're having a good day today. Thank you for joining. And anyone who's watching, if you guys have any topics you want to throw out there that you want me to talk about, feel free. So, aw, thanks for the hearts, girl. Oh, all right, so I've got 1 minute and 12 seconds to go. Then I can enjoy something to drink. But you know, the burn has subsided. It's just very minimal right now, and it's definitely manageable. This level, if you are good with spice, this level of spiciness that this packet does, it's very manageable. Oh, hey, Lily, thank you for joining. All right, so, yay, 33 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to mix up what I'm going to drink. So I've got my isotonic cup right here. And because I just ate something completely spicy, and I don't know if you guys have seen that noodle video where a surgeon put a camera into your stomach to see how long it takes ramen noodles to digest in your stomach. It was shown that 2 weeks later, after someone ate ramen, that the noodles were still there undigested. So because, oh, yay, okay, sorry, my alarm went off and I'm like, yay, I can drink now. Okay, so so after seeing that video, and because I just had ramen and noodles, I'm definitely going to drink something that's going to help me digest what I just ate. So I'm going to have some digestive enzymes. I'm just going to pour in, let's see. Ooh, okay, all right, so that's 1 capful. I'm actually going to take 2 servings. So 2 capfuls. And again, this is digestive enzymes that I'm taking to just kind of help digest what I just ate. So, and I'm going to pour in the water. And I'm just going to stir it up, and love smart water. So I'm just going to stir this up. So let that make. So look, it's foaming, it's dissolving. I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit. And all right. So this is 2 servings of digestive enzymes. Bottoms up. So good. I can't tell you guys. I love my digestive enzymes. oh, I feel lots better. No, I can hardly feel the spice now. So there you have it. So even if you drink no water, 5 minutes after you're done eating, the spiciness goes away. And it's even better if you take digestive enzymes to help you digest and calm your tummy after eating such a spicy meal. Yep, it was the digestive enzymes isotonic. All right, well, I'm going to end the video here, you guys. Thank you so much, everybody who joined me. And if there is, so again, I'm going to be doing these videos every Monday, Mukbang Mondays. So if you guys have, if there's anything that you would like to see me eat, if you have suggestions, let me know. Leave it in the comment section, and I will, you know, try to accommodate whatever you throw out there. All right, well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your evening, and thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate your time. Much love and hugs and kisses, and, you know, just blessings to you all. All right, bye, guys.